Hi guys, thank you for joining me today because Lucia Barreto is here as well. And can you tell something about it yourself?
Yes, well, my name is Lucia Barreto and
She got her own YouTube channel as well.
I got my own YouTube channel as well. Since a while I make videos about my life, vlogs, and I sing and I post videos about that too.
Guys, if you want to learn Dutch, you should head over to her channel because she's speaking Dutch in her vlogs. Today we're gonna try to talk English the whole while, but maybe we use some Dutch words for you to learn. She's here because we met at a party and we got to know each other and we clicked right away and we thought let's paint together and why not on video for you guys. And she was a bit nervous, she told me.
I brought something to drink. So maybe we can start with that.
Okay, here we go. Well, cheers to our paintings today. Oh, I like this.
Nice.
So what are your colors you're drawn to?
Well, my favorite color is pink.
Okay, cool.
So that's my
I'll take that one.
color. I don't know if you can call it like that.
Yeah?
And I like gold.
Gold, all right. Yeah?
And something like turquoise.
Turquoise. Okay, good. So I got two
Yes,
different,
something like
so this is a darker and this is a lighter.
Yes.
Which one?
The lighter.
Okay. And then maybe some bronze to go with it?
Yes. Oh,
also?
nice. Yes, yes.
Okay. So we both use the gold. So I got I got primary colors sort of.
Yes.
Only this is red violet, so this is more like the pinkish violet type. Okay. So how we start is we make a base of white on the canvas.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Lucia, what do you sing?
What do I sing? I
Yeah.
sing, when I sing with a band, I sing country and western.
Ah, that's cool.
Songs of Dolly Parton, Patsy Cline, that kind of things. But I also have been working with dance producers in the past. I sing a lot of covers of Aretha Franklin, almost everything. I love to sing. Yeah.
If the painting turns out beautiful, you're gonna sing for us.
A little bit, yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're starting with the white base. So what we do is...
Me too, now?
You can do it, yes. Because this is just the base for the background. Okay.
It's already very different.
That's... No, that's good because we're gonna... So we got the blow dryer here. So we just... Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Mine is
Yeah, but then you take some like this and you can...
Okay.
That's not... Yeah. And what you do is you cover the sides with white as well. You see now that the white has some air bubbles.
Yes.
We want to get it out because we want it smooth.
Okay.
So what you do is you turn it to the left.
Yes.
It goes on and then you're gonna go like that. So that the air, but not in the paint, but above it. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a puddle of colors.
Okay.
So let's see. I got this blue.
Yes.
And with what color you want to start? One of these.
I start with the pink one.
The pink one. Okay, what you do is you open it up and you make a round like this. Yeah. So you take your other color.
Blue, turquoise.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, you got two metallics, so one of these.
This one, can I use this one?
Yeah, of course.
This?
So I need this one as well. Yeah, all right. Okay. So we got some white left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the white around this.
All?
No, not all, that's good. A little bit more here. Yeah. Okay, so it has a lot of air bubbles again, so we're gonna torch that. So now the fun part starts.
Yeah. Do I have to turn it around?
No, because I got here more white,
yes.
When I poured it around it, and I want to blow this white over my colors.
Okay, so where the
but
most
you,
white
yeah,
is?
you got here the most white, so for you it's
okay,
perfect.
So where you have the most white, it has to be at the other side?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I put it on the first setting, so on the low setting.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna blow the white over the colors. You're gonna do the same thing.
This is scary.
Yeah, okay, good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this looks pretty already, doesn't it?
Yes.
So these cells are popping up.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna blow this out like this.
Okay.
So let's see.
Oh, nice.
That's cool, right?
Yes, that's really cool.
Okay, so you're gonna do the same and then blow from here. But you can just go like...
Okay.
Okay.
I was really scared.
But this is so cool.
Yes.
Okay. And that's the most fun part. So you can be more in the paint.
They're coming white. This is for the special effect?
Yeah, this is
okay.
but you can go more in the paint.
Okay. Oh, cool. Oh.
Yeah. So there you see where all your colors
not
are.
Too much, maybe.
Yeah.
Like this.
Okay, I will do the same. Yeah, so, okay, when you're looking at your painting now, do you have some parts that you really like and parts that you dislike?
Well, this is a little bit empty, but maybe it's nice that it's a little bit empty, that it's not everywhere. Maybe it can be a little bit more in the middle.
Because let's first see what your composition is.
Yes.
Like, that you find the most appealing.
This part I like because of the colors, I think. Oh, but this I like too.
Yeah, you really like the...
Not so much.
Yeah, that's the most of the metallics, yes.
But maybe because it's, yeah.
It's a bit muddier.
Yeah, a bit muddier. Yes,
yeah,
that's
I
the
understand.
correct word.
Okay, so we can blow a little bit parts out ourselves. You can, like, you like this pink here. So
yeah,
maybe
like
you can blow this a bit more that way, but you need to be gentle, like... So you don't have to blow very hard, but very gentle. Okay, so maybe there's not a lot of paint there, because you need paint on the canvas so it can flow. Yeah?
Maybe try one more time. Oh no. I see you do it and it looks so easy.
Oh yeah, kijk, it's like more like,
yeah.
like taking it with you.
I don't know if it got better.
Okay, but do you like your painting?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good.
I like it.
Okay, because here, this is a bit too much with the white, maybe,
Yeah.
or not.
I like a little bit more of the pink purple maybe here.
Okay, so what you can do is, so you got here the pink.
Yes.
So you can make just a little stripe,
Yeah.
like that, and then, yeah, try to blow that out. So you can do like a bit white like this. And then maybe a little bit more of the pink here, and then you're gonna blow it from here to there.
Where? The pink there?
Here.
Just a little bit
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, that's more than enough. And then you can blow it from there, but we can also pour in here a metallic color as well.
Yes. I would like to have a little bit of gold. Oh. No!
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, and then maybe just a little bit of white there as well.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's beautiful.
Yes,
If
nice. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, I'm very happy with mine as well.
Yours was already really, really beautiful.
So-
I like it because you have light,
Yeah, that
pink
it goes
colors.
soft, right?
Yes, it's really, really nice. I like this color here.
Yeah, that's because of this, I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah, it's cool.
Yes, really nice.
Yours is way
Yes.
more vibrant.
Yes, I like this.
Yeah, it's more. It's that pink. The pink
Yeah.
is so vibrant.
Cool.
Oh, I'm drinking already.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. What do you think? Do you want to do this again?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yes, I love to do this, and I would like to try it with other colors next time.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm really, really happy with the result. I
Yeah?
didn't expect it to be that good. Yeah.
Yeah, and
And it was a little bit more difficult than I thought because I've watched your videos.
Yeah,
And especially the
the blow, yeah.
oh, that looked so easy and relaxed to do, but it's really stressful moment because you can make or break the whole
Yeah,
thing.
that's true,
It's
yeah.
not so easy as that I thought.
Oh, thank you.
So
But the
very
blow
well.
dryer, that went very well.
Yes, you really have to do a swing.
Yeah, that's true. So don't overthink it as well. Like
Yeah.
not go slow, just go.
Yeah.
Oh well,
Yes.
I really liked having you here, and yeah, you promised us something, right? That you're
Oh.
gonna sing something from your own song.
I haven't sing the whole day, and the song that I'm gonna sing is not really a song that is with. Well, I've just heard, okay? I had a dream so clear to me about a girl I used to be in another life, and streets was sleeping. I haven't been here for so long, but it's the place where I belong. The city touched me, and I started singing. I haven't missed you till this night, now I can't leave. Just hold me tight, it's like we've been in love before. Where have you been, what have I done? I can't remember where I'm from, and oh, I love you more and more. Saudade, meu fado, meu amor. I hear the cry of a fadista, a melody I know. Seeing Christ at Rio Tejo, watching sailors as they go. Wanna dance in Barrio too, wanna run in all the streets, and it's all coming back to me. I hear the cry of a fadista, a melody I know. Seeing Christ at Rio Tejo, watching sailors as they go. Wanna dance in Barrio Alto, wanna run in all the streets, and it's all coming back to me. Lisboa, you are all I see.
Well, this is the perfect note to end this. Wow. Wow. And it's beautiful as well here, like with a bit of, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Thank you
Cheers.
so much. We will see you next time. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and push that notification bell. We'll see you later. You can bye.
Bye. Thank you.